Okay, I just gonna do a quick bike check here. Just got a bunch of new parts. Oh wow, that sticker's already worn out. Just put that on yesterday and it's already gone. Okay, well anyways, I just got a bunch of new parts. I got new grips, bars, cranks, stem, and a new sprocket today. The sprocket, where'd I put it? It's Tree Bicycle LITE Sprocket. I haven't got to really try it out yet. It's spline drive. Cost me $100. I hope it's worth it. Anyways, so ODI long neck grips, fit Mac bars, profile acoustic stem, and then Eclat headset. I've had a bunch of different headsets, but this one, I have to say, it's the smoothest and it gives you the most option for rising capabilities. I got a bunch of different spacers and stuff in there. Let's shake them all up. You just keep adjusting how high up you want it. Me, I chopped my forks down because I didn't have many risers for my other heads or stems, so chopped it down so it would fit. And it was a bad idea, but I was able to ride it for a while. Now it's just kind of annoying because I could put a lot more risers on and spacers. Oh well. I got Odyssey Race forks. I painted them yellow to kind of match, but now I kind of regret it. Where is it? There's an Odyssey logo here. There it is. I kept that though. The original color for it, the yellow, was a neon kind of yellow, and I wanted more of a flat yellow, so I painted them like this. My front rim, it's a salt front rim. It's just temporary. I borrowed it off my friend. My other rim broke, and I'm going to Albies to go get another rim real soon, probably next week. Nice little dice caps. My tires, I got the Odyssey Arron Ross keyboard tires. I find these real grippy. People say they wear out fast. I happened to notice that too because the other day I was going fast and I went to stop instantly, and I don't know where it is, but the tire is really worn out in one spot. So I guess I can't really do any skids or anything, otherwise it's just gonna wear out pretty fast. So I bought my bike as a Verde Theory 2010, just the stock bike, and right now the only part that's left that's stock on it is the frame. Everything else, all new shiny parts, well, pretty close. So we've gone over the front. One thing I really like about this is the pinch bolt, the top, the Odyssey BMX one. It's real handy. You can see right through it. It saves a lot of weight. It's a lot better than having just a normal Allen key bolt. It's pinch bolt. I don't know. It just works a lot better that way. It looks nicer. It's got it threads into the forks too. I don't know if you know that, but instead of just a bolt threading into an anchor bolt in the stem, it's it threads into the forks, so it's a lot more, you could say, grip. Okay, so I got some new profile cranks. I got them the other day, and one thing about it, don't get the chrome because I rode it once and look at this, the chrome's already peeling off. But other than that, I love these cranks. They're actually real sweet. Profile GDH cranks, 180 mil, 19 mil spindle, 48 spline, and then the Tree sprocket, Tree Bicycle LITE sprocket. I haven't really got to test it out because I just put it on. Putting these cranks on are really a pain in the ass. You must have grease, and the grease that I use, I just went to Canadian Tire and bought a cheap little tube of grease here. It's called Lumax, I don't know, but I don't use just this grease. Well, I do, but I also use the WD-40, and I kind of mix it 50-50, maybe 75-50 more grease, just so it's not so thick, and it kind of thins it out, and it doesn't like seize up and when it gets cold out. So I got the KNC 710 SL chain in red. It is by far the best chain I had. I had a KG hollow pin half link chain. I ordered it online, and when it came here, it was too small. It was size 3, 32nd, I think, and I need a 1/8. So they shipped me the wrong size, or they don't have that size. My seat was the first purchase on this bike that was not stock. I got the Odyssey Senior V2 seat. It's pivotal. It's pretty nice. It's got some cushion on it, you know, and it's real light. One thing I like about this frame too is there's no seat post. It's just integrated. It's already on there, so it saves a lot of maintenance and just quick attachment. Moving to the back rim. So I got a Nitrus double shot back rim about a year and a half ago, and it's still holding up, and I'll do a hub sound in a minute, but I still got the same Odyssey Arron Ross tires on it, the keyboard ones, and they're actually pretty cool. You ride through water and then you ride on the cement and it'll spell things out, but it's kind of hard to read it. You need to really focus at it, and it'll spell something. I'll see if I can read something here. Yeah, I think I have it all backwards, but it says made. Alright, never mind, I'm not going to try and read that, it's too small. Okay, and the pedals I've been riding, Odyssey Twisted. These things are the most grippy that I have ever had, or maybe the Odyssey JCP pedals are a little better, but I like these ones. They're plastic, cheap, nice, sturdy. The other stuff I have, like other pedals, and I got the Shadow Conspiracy, I forget what they're called, doesn't really say on the box, but these pedals were okay. Bearings blew in them in a little while, it kind of fucked me over, but then before that I had the Odyssey Twisted again, and these ones are my favorite pedals. I'm not going to return. Oh, and here's part of the KT HoloLink chain I just took off as a souvenir, because I'm going to return it back to the store and see if they'll give me my money back. And then I got some Shadow Conspiracy Low 1 grips, or dirty grips, per se. They're okay. They wore down really fast. I already got a hole in one of them, and I rode them for maybe 2 weeks. And then my bottom bracket, Shadow Conspiracy. I don't know, that's my old bottom bracket, but I just keep the box around. You never know when you'll need it. Okay. Old cranks that strip, that's why I got my profile ones now. But they were the last stock part. So yeah, that's my bike. I had to go out and buy a bunch of new tools just to put my bike together because I didn't have any. And it was a pain in the ass. But the extra $100 and I had tools to put my bike together and take it apart whenever I want now. I'm going to go get a front rim. I got it pre-ordered and it's in the shop right now. I gotta go pick it up on Friday. And that's pretty much it about my bike. A hub sound. Okay, I'll try a hub sound just to show you. This hub is nice, but I need a new one because the bearings are about to blow in it because it is old and I didn't really maintain it a whole lot and it's been just sitting around for a while. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to do this with one hand, but that's just real quick. Pedal. Oh. And what I did with the hub to make it, like I tried making it louder, and it is a little bit louder than before, is I just used the WD-40 and the grease I have, and I mix them together and just put them inside the hub where the paws are, and instantly I heard it get louder. So I tightened it up just right, and it's really good now. Gonna go try it out soon. But anyways, that's about it for my bike. I'm gonna go give her a test ride, maybe put some videos up about me riding it. Haven't gone out yet this year to go ride it really. I went out yesterday and I got a couple falls. You know, I did alright, but gotta try and get back in the mode. Anyways guys, peace out.